Welcome children, good morning. Second part of fractions and decimal. Here we have to discuss about decimal. Before we have to start the decimals, we have to know the place value charts of decimal, how we are putting the point, where we are putting the point, and what is the place of ones, tens, hundred, as we know in standard 6. But now we have to know the tenths, means 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Okay, see, this is first of all, this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, dot dot dot. This is known as what? This is place value Indian system. Now this is decimal. After decimal, when any first number is coming, we are calling it 1 by 10, means tens. After that, 1 means tenth, then hundredth, means 1 by 100, then thousand, so on, means 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. According to exercise 2.5, question number 1, it is given that write question number 1, second, maybe in your book it is given, write the place value of digit 2 in the following decimals, means your number is given, 1 is given what? 1 is given 2.56 and 4 is given 63.352. First of all, we have to discuss this one. So write down solution 2.56c. It is coming just before point, so it is holding what? 1 space. So we have to write 2 into 1. This is 1. Now question number, this is 1. Now 4, 63.352. Here see the 2 digit place. We have to see first point, then 110, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. So it is holding over what? 2 into 1 by 1000, that is 2 by 1000. So this is the place value of this 2. Write down. Now see, question number 3, it is given convert 0.0092 in the fraction. So first of all, fraction means what? See, after point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply write 92 by 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. So now lowest term means what? First of all, you divide 2 table, it will be what? 46. This will be 5000. Now this is 23 and this is 2500. So now lowest term is not going to now not going to more or less. So it will be what? 23 by 2500. This is your required answer. Write down. Now see which is greater, 0.5 or 0.05. Obviously, first of all, you have to see the place value. See here, 1 by 100 value is what? 5, and here is nothing, means 0. And here is 1 by 10 value is what? 0, here is 10. Here, see, 1's place is what? 0, here 1 place is 0. So this is equal, 10 place is greater. 1 means 1 by 10, means 1 by 10, means 10th place is greater than this number. Therefore, what? I can write 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Just I am comparing the first 1 by 100 plus, here also 1 by 100 plus, nothing is there, means 0. Then 1 by 10 plus, here 0, here 5. So therefore 0.5 is greater than 0.005. Now see, express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. As we know what, since 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, therefore this implies that I can write 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 1 centimeter equal to what? 1 by 100 meter. I can write. Now, as we know, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Now you have to change 5 centimeter into meter, then kilometer. Now 5 centimeter into meter. You have to change into 5 centimeter into meter, means 5 by 1 centimeter equal to what? 1 by 100 meter. You have to multiply by 1 by 100. So it will be 5 by 100 equal to 0.05 meter. Now 0.05 meter we have to change into kilometer. 0.05 meter equal to what? I can write 5 by 100 meter into 1 kilometer equal to 1 meter equal to what? 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 kilometers. Simple. 1 by 1000 kilometer. Now 5 by what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be what? 0.0005 kilometer. This is your second answer. This is your first answer. Write down. Now we have to move exercise 2.6. 2.6. Find the product of 2.7 into 4. So simple. We can write 2.7 means 27 by 10 into 4. This is what? 27 into 4 means 108 by 10. So after 1 digit 0 is coming, therefore 10.8 means after 1 how many zeros are 1? So from the behind we have to, after 1 digit we place the decimal. This is your required answer. Now divide 4.8 by 10, 100 and 1000. So 4.8 divided by 10, it will be what? 4.8 by 10, remove the point, multiply by what? After decimal how many digits are there? 1. So this is 10, therefore 4 is 48. Sorry, 48 by 100. I can write 0. What? 48. 0.48. Now 4.8 divided by 100 means same. 48 by 10 divided by 100. So 48 by 1000. So after 1 what? 1, 2, 3 0 are there. Therefore 48, here only 2 digits. We have to put one more 0. After 0 means is 1 decimal. Therefore 0.04. Write down. 4.8 divided by 1000. Same only. 48 by 10 into by down. Write down. Multiply by 1048 by 1, 2, 3, 4 0. So write down. So you have to put what? 48 is there. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 digits already there. So 1, 2. Therefore, this is your required answer. Write down. Now question number 9. According to your book, it is given that if 242.46 are to be distributed among 6 children equally, find the share of each. So total amount equal to what? Total amount given what? 242.46. Number of children is what? Equal to 6. Therefore each share each share equal to 242. Remove the point. So what? After decimal, how many digits are there? 2. So 100 into 6 divided to what? 4041. Therefore 4041 divided by 100. So place decimal before 2 digits, means 40.41. It's will be. Write down. Now see in this question, exercise 2.7, 2.3 minus big bracket 1.89 minus within curly bracket 3.6 minus within small bracket 2.7 minus 0.8 minus 0.03. Above there is a bar is there. Okay, small bracket close, curly bracket close, big bracket close. So this is, we have to use the BODMAS. First of all, we have to solve this part, means bar 1. So write down, this implies that 2.3 minus 1.89 minus curly bracket 3.6 minus 2.7 minus 0.8 minus 0.003. So subtract it. After subtraction, I will get what? 0.77. So this work is over. Now we have to go for the small bracket work. Now 2.3 minus big bracket 1.89 minus curly bracket 3.6 minus, now we have to subtract this part. We have to subtract 2.7 minus 0.077. Now small bracket work, subtract. After subtracting, we will get what? 1.93. Now small bracket work is over. You have to remove the next step, small bracket. So 2.3 minus 1.89 minus 3.6 minus 1.93, curly bracket, big bracket. Now this part we have to subtract. So 2.3 minus 1.89 subtract. Now this, after subtraction, what we will get? 1.67. Now remove the curly bracket. Now 2.3 minus 1.89, 9 minus 7, this is 2, 8 minus 6, this is also 2. Now point and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So now we have to subtract. Now big bracket work is also over. 2.3 minus 0.22 equal to what? 2.08. This is your required answer. I hope I have clear, means maximum sum whatever your books is given, means if you solve this type of sum, you can solve rest of all the sums. Okay, stay tuned for next video. Okay, next video, subscribe my channel and press like. Thank you. Have a nice day.